After router reconfiguration, the workstation users report that they cannot connect to the Internet through their browser. On both workstations, check the IP configuration, ping the gateway, and www.certblaster.com. Next, check the router's ACL to determine the probable cause, and change the applicable rule by clicking the X. Go to Workstation 2 and try to access www.certblaster.com. When you're finished, click Submit to save your work. We check Workstation number 1 for its IP configuration using ipconfig. It looks normal, so we'll try pinging the default gateway, 10.0.0.1. With that connection validated, we next try the target website by pinging it. This result confirms the availability of the target site. Now we'll perform the same series of commands on Workstation 2. ipconfig, ping the gateway, and the website. Since all of our command line tests are successful, we move to the router to check for anything that would prevent these workstations from accessing websites. We look at the router configuration for anything that would interrupt the web communication. Looking at the interfaces, we see that our workstations are on the ETH3 subnet. Now, we review the access control list for the problem. Here we see that the third entry denies ports 80 and 443 on our subnet. These ports are essential for HTTP and HTTPS communication. Clicking the X on the list will cancel that rule and allow these ports, and so enable HTTP/HTTPS communication. We can validate the repair by opening Workstation 2. It's already displaying the home page, so we'll check the target website by entering www.certblaster.com in the address bar. Success! In study mode, grading can be checked by scrolling up to the top navigation bar and clicking the Answer button. This is not available in certification or assessment modes. This feedback defines the actions that need to be taken, along with a detailed explanation. Since we haven't submitted our response, the last line in the answer window displays the task is in progress. Just like the actual test, nothing we've done is graded until the response is submitted. Remember this. Click Submit to confirm our response and check the answer again. Now the program has recorded your actions and it displays your answer is correct.